This is a exclusive look at a hand-built G-scale subway transit train. This train was created and designed by me. I always been into trains and I decided to build me some. I was unable to purchase a subway train in G-scale size. I decided to build 4 Orange Line G-scale subway trains and also 4 CTA G-scale transit subway Chicago trains. So giving you an exclusive look. These trains have aluminum bodies, aluminum chassis, Bluetooth capability, sound system, and lights. Various colors. Lights have not been put in the trains yet, but they will be shortly. Will be aluminum couplers to attach each train to each other. These face plates I cut out, shaped and molded. The faces come off. Just so I can get into the chassis. The train bodies come off also, away from the chassis to get inside to do the electrical wiring and so forth. You guys, exclusive look. I do have tie rod ends that come down by the wheels. I haven't put them on yet. It's the first train built in my project. This is detachable heat and air conditioning unit. I can run that. It's Velcro, or I can take it off. These trains a little time consuming. I ordered these powered trucks. These trucks were like $149 a piece at the time when I purchased them. It may be lesser. We'll be putting wiper blades on the front windshields. I made the doors up, as you can see, the caution tape. This train should really look nice once I put the lights in it. Various lights: white, amber, green, red. I will be building a elevated train, stainless steel track setup. Definitely will into the train shows. And there's a second train over there. I have 2 more to go, 2 more to build. Exclusive look. These trains also have suspension. As you can see, I put suspension on them. And then we have it. First set of G-scale trains in subway that I could find. I tried Googling them. I couldn't find any. So here's mine. All right, I'm out.